Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Ave in Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2023 Ford F-150 XLT. The exterior color is white, and under the hood we have a 2.7-liter engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have our auto headlamps, fog lamps, and tow hooks, and over at the side we have 17-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Max Track tires. At the rear, we have privacy tinted glass and a backup camera. Under the interior, we have power locks, mirrors, and windows. As you move closer to the cabin, you will see your gray cloth seating with adjustments at the side. At the steering column, we have our auto headlamp settings. We have a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control to the left, and to the right, our median hands-free options. As we look ahead, you will see we have many options available, such as sync navigation, vehicle hotspot, mobile apps, Ford Assistance, Amazon Alexa, 911 Assist.